Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have TheWeeknd again here with Without a Warning. Alright, so we have this chord progression that goes on pretty much through the entire song, and we have different styles of handling these chords, different strumming patterns. We'll come to that. First setup, capo on fourth, that's the best scenario for us. 4 chords, A minor, G, D minor, and F. Let's go into it. Starting with A minor now, and that will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. G next, and that goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have D minor come up, and that will be open D, second G, third B, and first E. And we have the F finally, and that will be a bar chord. We place the index finger on the first fret, and you push down all strings there. And then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. Alright, so just some technical stuff there before we move on with the strumming. I always strive to handle the chords as easy as possible. Transitions are important. So just some tip here. When you come from the G to D minor, you hold like this. You can keep the third fret B string there to get the D minor. So you have a base for that D minor already from the G chord. So that's how it works sometimes. I see how I, in the best way, can do the transition. So this is one example from G. Keep that finger around that and get the D minor like that. So you don't have to start all over and get the D minor. You have something to build upon, all right? And from the D minor, you go to F. Now you can keep that second fret G string. And around that finger, you have the F chord, okay? So that is how you can work with it to make the transitions go even smoother. Now, let's go into the way of handling these chords, okay? Because we're going to do that in the same way. The chord progression will be in the same way up about 3 minutes and 18 seconds in. That's the final part of the song. So first, we're going to play just 1 down per chord. Huge pauses in between, okay? And yeah, just continues like that. 1 down, G, and then D minor, and then F. I speed up a little bit. Okay, I think you get the idea there. The second way of handling it starts about 1 minute and 54 seconds in, and this is a strumming pattern. I'm going to show you how it sounds with the A minor. Let's go. Okay, it's a pretty long one. So you're going to start with down, down, clap. Then comes down, up, up, down, and then clap down. So if you put all that together, it will be down, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. That is 1 round. You practice that gradually. You're gonna speed up the tempo. And you're gonna play 2 of these per chord in the same chord progression, of course, and it goes like this. You're gonna do that for almost 1 minute. At 2 minutes and 36 seconds in, we're gonna have a different strumming pattern, and it goes like this for 1 round. So that is basically to play 4 downs, a clap, and then 3 downs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, clap, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, clap, 1, 2, 3. And again, you're going to play 2 of these per chord in the same chord progression, and it will sound like this. All right, and then I mentioned that 3 minutes and 18 seconds in, that's the outro part of this song. You're gonna play After you play the D minor and F of strumming, you're going to go back to D minor and play D minor, F, A minor, and G. So that will be the new chord progression. So once you end the F with strumming, you're going to go back to D minor and play one down per chord in the chord progression I just mentioned, then F, then A minor, and then G. And you do that for 4 rounds, and with that 4 rounds, you will actually end this song. From The Weeknd, it's called Without a Warning. And it ends with a beautiful G. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope that helped. Until next time, play tuned.